జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సీతారామచంద్రస్వామి's Vivaham marriage ceremony is successfully done. Now all the people started getting back to their homes. Dasaratha Maharaju, along with his sons, he went back to his staying place. Then in the next day morning, Vishwamitra Maharshi says, "Ho Janaka, ho Dasaratha, now I am going to go to Himavat Parvatam, the Himalayas, because my sister lives there in the form of river whose name is Kausiki. Now I am going to go there." So Vishwamitra Maharshi also left. After that, Dasaratha Maharaju saying to Janaka Maharaju that we will also start moving now. Dasaratha Maharaju, along with his sons and daughter-in-laws and so many citizens, Maharshis, he started going towards Ayodhya. At that time, Janaka Maharaju gives so many gifts to Dasaratha Maharaju, so many cows, so many horses, so many elephants, so much of gold, so many gems. He gives so much Dattva Bahudhanam Raja Samanugnyapya Parthivam. So much of wealth Janaka Maharaju gives as a gift to Dasaratha Maharaju. Then Dasaratha Maharaju, along with his entire parivaram, started getting back to Ayodhya. On his way, Dasaratha Maharaju started witnessing so many bad omens in the sky. Then he asks Vasishtha Maharshi, "I am somehow getting so much scared. I am feeling so restless because of all these bad omens." Then Vasishtha Maharshi says, "Oh Raja, yes, because all the birds are making sound, that means there is a fear very close by. But because all the animals are going around us in a clockwise, that means we are not in danger. There is a fear, but there is no danger." That is what Vasishtha Maharshi says to Dasaratha Maharaju. And while they are moving, entire parivaram, everybody started witnessing so much of strong wind, and the earth is getting shaken. All such big trees are getting unrooted. The entire earth is shaking, and such a big tornado like atmosphere, the weather changed all of a sudden. With meditation upon Sri Sitaramachandra Swami, let us now do Ramanama Smarana. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Shloka a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.